Hi friends, so come along with me so we can shop at Pier 1 Import. We're going to see all the pretty spring and Easter stuff. I'm so excited. Let's go in and check it out. Look how beautiful this table is and all the pretty Easter stuff. Oh my god, I'm so in love. I love the table and I love all the Easter stuff. I just love spring and I love Easter. This table is so pretty, guys. The plates are pretty. That's so cute, that little butter plate with the little bunny ears. The bunny's so cute. I love those napkins. I just love them. Those are pretty too, but I really like with the script. It says hippity hop. That's a place, I guess, mat. It looks like grass. That is so pretty for the chair. I just love it. So pretty. I just love everything in here. Those are little eggs. Look how cute those little bunny ears are. And look how cute those bunny moss for the napkin holders. Oh my god, I just love them. Everything is just so pretty. I love those little baskets. I think it's like a 3-tier. Oh no, it's a plant, but it's like a 3-tier baskets with eggs in there. So pretty. Those are so cute, those little lambs. Those little bunnies. Plates. Those are so cute, those little cups. Those are really pretty, those plates. Love those jars, the galvanized. Stemware is pretty. Those are those place mats I said. They go under the plates. It's so pretty. Everything is so pretty over here. It's just so pretty. It just makes you happy. All the colors. That's a beautiful woven plate. I love all the little bunny stuff. I love that bunny cutting board. I would hate to like ruin it though. That bunny's so cute with the bow. Such a pretty plate. Another beautiful table. This one is like so sparkly. I love everything on here too. I don't really go for the sparkly, but it was so pretty. I just had to film it. And it was too pretty. Look how pretty that bunny is. And that's a bunny placemat. Look how sparkly everything is. If you love sparkle, you will be in love with this because it was so pretty and so beautiful in real life, more so. Vase fillers, but they're so pretty and sparkly. More sparkly bunnies. They had like a lot of sparkly things. So if you're into that, go to Pier 1. You're going to find so many great stuff. I love that. It looks like a boxwood placemat. More cute stuff. Look how cute this display is. This is like all bunnies and carrots, which I really love. Cabbage placemats, that is so cute. That bunny's adorable. All those carrots. I love that whole vase filled with carrots. bunny plates are cute. More carrots. Another so pretty display. I just love these displays. I wanted to show you guys because they're so pretty. And the way they did them in Pier 1 Import is so beautiful. So many bunnies, so many cute bunnies. That one's so cute, the overalls. Pretty pillow. That bunny is so cute, she's so cute. Look at this one with the car and all the little bunnies in there. How cute is that, guys? Cute, cute bunnies. Bunny galore, guys. Everywhere bunnies. I just had so much fun just looking at all these bunnies and all these displays. That one's so big, that bunny. So cute. Chair is pretty. With the spring. Look how cute these bunnies, they're in love. That's what I feel in that boat. So cute. These flowers are so pretty. I had to show you guys how pretty. They just make me happy. Those pink ones are really pretty. Even those blue ones. I just love everything in here. It's just a happy place. More cute stuff. Those bunnies are cute too. Some bunny wreath. I like that window. It's cute. Very pretty wreaths. Some are for just spring, and then the other ones with the eggs are for more Easter. All right, more wreaths. More spring and Easter wreaths. So pretty. They really had a nice selection of wreaths. This one is my favorite. It was like purple little flowers. This yellow one's pretty. More gorgeous flowers with little bunnies. I just can't get enough of these flowers. How pretty they are. I like that bunny. That bunny's really cute down there. Alright, I wanted to show you this mushroom. I just think that's so cute. I've never seen that. I think that's new this year. Beautiful scents, spring scents. Look how pretty this pink display is. So pretty. Candles. More candles, more spring candles. This is like the yellow section. So pretty. I love those yellow flowers. The tulips. You put like a big candle in the middle. More candles. They had a lot of candles in there. Like spring candles. It's cute, that little bike. Beautiful flowers. And they had the succulent. I don't know if they had it last year, the succulent section, but it was so pretty. The succulents, the little ones, the picks are about like $3 each, so it wasn't that bad. But I like the way they set it up. So pretty. I can't wait for spring. That big cactus. That one's cute. It has cabbage in there. I just thought that was so cute. Nice to put in the middle of your table. So this is the Magnolia Table. Look how pretty. I'm in love with that little bunny. I love that plate. But this was like all magnolia plates, magnolia flowers. Like if you want to do your whole table that way, I think it would be so beautiful. Even glassware. So beautiful table. More little cute bunnies to put around your table. Another placemat. Another table, which I thought was a very beautiful spring table. So pretty, white dishes and a lot of green napkins. I love that. That's a chalkboard with flowers, so pretty. These flowers are so pretty too. That is so cute. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed Pier 1 Import, looking at all the pretty spring and Easter things. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was too much prettiness. Alright, bye. See you in the next video. Bye.